Hello everyone. With earning $1.16 billion worldwide, Spider-Man No Way Home is officially Sony's highest grossing film ever, as well as Marvel's largest opening of 2021. People were amazed to see three Spider-Mans that we grew up watching in one movie. And yes, I haven't forget about Matt Murdock, the Daredevil. Marvel Studios always knew what would happen if they squeezed so many well-known characters in one movie. That is, Marvel Studios will generate billions of dollars. Even our fans were amazed and surprised at the same time. And now most of the Marvel fans are wondering what will be the future of Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield in the Marvel Universe. So, subscribe to What Next and let's start with a question of the future of Tobey Maguire, Andrew Garfield and the Tom Holland after No Way Home. So let's start with Tobey Maguire Spider-Man, which has already spawned 3 films from Sony, with covering a big part of Tobey Maguire's Spider-Man life. And with this, I don't think Marvel will continue to make solo movies on Tobey Maguire's Spider-Man. But what they can do is introduce Tobey Maguire's Spider-Man and MJ's daughter and continue to carry on the Spider-Man legacy in Tobey's universe. This has also happened in comic books. The figure originally appeared in the MCU 2 world in issue number 105 of What If Comics in 1998. Yes, this can be done in upcoming Marvel movies because right now the MCU is currently introducing young superheroes. There are rumors that Dr. X can appear in Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness. And yes, Marvel is planning big. In the next Avengers movie, there can be multiple variants of villains and all the superheroes from different universes. Like Dr. X, some other variant of Wolverine, or Iron Man or Thor. And I will not be shocked if Tobey's daughter will appear in the next Avengers movie and say to Tom Holland Spider-Man that, "Hey, I'm here to help. You may know my father, Peter Parker." And there's Andrew Garfield Spider-Man, and I'm quite confident that Sony will release the Amazing Spider-Man 4 in the future, since there's Venom and Mobius in the universe right now. Introducing Andrew Garfield Spider-Man will be amazing, which I believe Sony will do in the future, but when? I really have no idea. On the other hand, Marvel have started the production of Spider-Man 4. Spider-Man producer Amy Pascal have confirmed that Tom Holland have a future beyond 3 films in MCU. So we will just have to wait and see what Marvel does in Spider-Man 4. Whether they reveal Spider-Man's daughter in the next Spider-Man movie or show Venom, who was shown in the post-credit scene of Spider-Man No Way Home. Well, in the future, there will be a lot more surprises in the Marvel movies.